Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate real estate marketing with Place step by step clearly. To automate your real estate marketing with Place, start by creating an account on the Place platform. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can access the various tools available. Begin by selecting the marketing option from the menu. Next, choose the type of marketing campaign you want to create, such as email or social media. For an email campaign, click on the Email Marketing section. Here, you can select from pre-designed templates or create your own from scratch. Customize your email by adding your branding elements like your logo and color scheme. Add engaging content to capture the attention of your target audience. Incorporate property listings directly from your MLS for easy access. Next, set your audience targeting preferences to ensure the right people receive your message. Once your email is ready, schedule it for a specific date and time or send it immediately. For social media automation, navigate to the Social Media tab. Link your real estate social media accounts to the Place platform. Choose the frequency and type of posts you want to publish. Create engaging posts that feature listings, market updates, or tips for buyers and sellers. Optimize your posts by adding relevant hashtags and images. Automate the posting schedule to keep your audience updated consistently. Next, explore the Analytics section to monitor the performance of your campaigns. Use the insights gained to refine future marketing efforts. Finally, regularly check for updates and new features on the Place platform to stay ahead in your marketing strategies. By following these steps, you can effectively automate your real estate marketing with Place, saving time and increasing your reach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.